Hi guys, it's Jigger from Jigger Junior Vlogs, and today I'm going to be unboxing another Lego knockoff. So this is it. The brand is Enlighten. It's called Destroyer Airs, and it's just a simple helicopter that can be turned into a giant hand. Imagine that, a giant hand. So it's like one of those collect them all and build a giant robot something. So this is what it looks like. The price of it is 179 pesos and 75 cents. So now I'm gonna show you guys what the back of the box looks like. So here it is. For no reason, this kind of reminds me of Transformers due to this little yellow car that kind of looks like Bumblebee. Look at its stripes. So that was it. So now let's open this. So we have one bag of pieces, a instructions manual, stickers, and another bag. So let's just keep this on the side. Now let's make the little thing that will turn into a big hand. Fully constructed, a little helicopter. It actually spins, so we're gonna teach you how to turn this thing into a hand or arm. So the hand, you put it on this part here, then okay, there it is, a fully constructed hand. Now, and that was all guys, and before I end this video, please like and subscribe or even leave a comment. Say bye. Bye. Okay. No, you can't get it. It's mine.